Yo,
Yeah,
it's dead in this town. You know,
it's crazy.
gotta shake things up.
Yeah,
For real. Let's go.
Quiet nights, there is no sound. Who needs a life with no fun around? Quiet nights, can't feel a pulse, can't hear a heartbeat. It's time to wake up, 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 da 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 da.
wake the streets up. Yeah,
Thank you for helping out. No, oh, stay right there.
I use a used Clorox bottle.
come on. Okay, wake the streets up. Yeah,
Undid the screw, let it drain.
Are you stronger than water, Daddy?
I think I'm stronger than my brother.
Maybe you guys are both strong.
Everything after this is easy.
yo, where the life at? Yeah, I'm needing more. Cause I've never been in a town like this. Is such a bore.
In the oil filter. Already took it out.
Look inside of it.
So anyhow, just put this back in.
Let's cause a fire, cause this town is cold, let's burn it up. So let's start the attack. Running through the city like maniacs. Inside town now they can bow down, take the crown, and that's a fact. Wake up.
Do you put oil with that?
Can't really.
Quiet nights,
Quiet night.
It should be that easy. If you say you don't have time, this is literally as much as I've gotten dirty. The plug nut fall into the oil, so now we gotta switch it using a random straw. I gotta feel around for it. Oh, that's right here somewhere. You think I should just put my whole hand in there?
Yeah!
Nah, I think I might have to just put my hand in there and grab. Oh no. This is something I want to do.
Why? Because it's supposed to sticky?
Yeah, I don't want my finger like this. If you guys like this video, I'll do another one like this, alright?
Yeah, we would.
Here it goes. I don't want to do this.
How much
Here it
likes?
goes.
How much likes? Did you leave any likes?
We'll see. Oh my god, my hand's full of oil. No, I got the nut though. There it is, that's what it looks. Oh, I'm gonna put this right here to the side. Get this off here. Ah, gross. What do you think? So that's all that work, and we found it, buddy.
Yep. So you did.
So there's
The
the,
whole thing you did.
there she is, the nut.
Oil change, you're gonna have to like get your oil and that's gonna take a lot of work. And right now you need to open it and you need a red thing like that right there. I think you can see it. Anyways, you need that and take the lid off, put in that red thing so you can have a good call. Yeah, and then that's good.
Yo, where the life at?
Speed one.
Cause I've never been in a town like this. Is such a bore. Yo, we need a moment, but not of silence. Something needs to happen round here cause we're losing vitals.
She looks good. Caps on, fluids are topped off. The windshield wipers, coolant, brake fluid, and the steering fluid are all good. All right, Noah. 1998 Nissan Maximo oil change. Took him 20 minutes to do it for the oil and filter. I don't know shit about cars either, so hey, anyone can start her up. Push it all the way. Yeah. Man, take care of your car, and your car will take care of you. Leave a subscribe and like at the bottom.
Wants to do another one? There was 1,100 likes.
I mean, at least, right?
Yeah, you see that? So much.
All right, buddy.
So leave that much and peace. Bye.